Hello, welcome to my new video. This video is going to be an unboxing of this lovely thing, which I'm very excited about. So I've just taken off the plastic. I haven't washed it yet. Took off the plastic in my other haul, but I wanted to do a separate video on this one because I'm very excited about this one. I've only seen a few cards from it, and then I was like, I don't want to get spoiled because the cards I saw are just so amazing. It's so beautiful. It opens up like this. The spirits resting in the natural world have much to share, and the secrets of the forgotten language are now available to you. So a beautiful box, love it. Then we have the guidebook. So I don't want to look at it too much. Here we have the deck. Look at that back. It's beautiful. So beautiful. So I will go through all of them. My god, I have so much shit on my desk. So I'll go through all of them. And Spirit. Antelope Spirit. Like, the artwork is so beautiful. Armadillo. Badger. I thought it was upside down for a second. I was like, what? A bat. Like, look at its head. So beautiful. Oh my god, a beaver. So cute. Bee. Bobcat. It's like amazing. I seriously love these. Brown bear. Oh my god. Buffalo. Oh, butterfly. Beautiful butterfly. The blue ones is really similar to my tattoo. Canary. The colors are so beautiful. Cat. Chameleon. Cow. Coyote. crow. There. So beautiful. Oh, dog. I'm a dog person. Be loyal to what you love. I also feel like the text really compliment the animal. Dolphin. Dove. This little crown. Dragonfly. Beautiful colors. Oh, I love it. Love it. Eagle. Electric eel. Elephant. Flamingo. Fox. So beautiful. Frog. Giraffe. Grasshopper. Oh, groundhog. Hawk. Ooh, horse. Look at the face. So beautiful. Hummingbird. Koala. Like, how can you not like this? Koi fish. Lion. Lizard. Like, I love the background on this one. Moth. Mouse. So cute. Oh my god. Oh. Nightingale. Oh, otters, and it's two, and it's a heart. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, I love otters. Like when they're cuddling, it's so cute. Oh my god. I'm so happy I got these. Owl. I've been so obsessed with owls lately. A panther. Parrot. watch your words. Yep. Peacock, let it shine. Pig, oh, cute little piggy. A porcupine. A rabbit. Oh, that's babies. A rhino. Sandpiper. A scarab beetle. Probably saying some of them wrong. Seahorse. Skunk. Snake. Almost done. Spider. Yeah, I don't like spiders. No, thank you. Squirrel. Oh, there's the front stag. So beautiful. Starfish. Swan. Turkey. Turtle. Slow and steady wins the race. That's true. So true. Vulture. Wasp. Sometimes life stinks. That is also true. Whale. White raven. Wolf. I love this one. And this one, wombat. Like, look at that little chubby little thing. I love this one. It was the wombat that sold me on this. Oh my god. It's so cute. And the size is, you know, they are huge. Well, not huge. I have small hands and I barely can fit them in my hands. And the cards seem pretty good. Well, I don't have much experience, so it seems very nice. Just love the artwork, it's so beautiful. Just amazing. So thank you for watching and hope you have a great day. And I will do some more unboxing of Oracle cards and when my tarot cards comes. So stay tuned for that. Take care. Bye.